so near faso na yenya win.
Mentality no because body BBA no is stagnant and see there's a game I cowboy baby I see for 15 years because continue share but that this year we are Timasha and you know we are going to make it a point say and yet say Timasha because share before the beginning of the league you know just share yeah objectives to be said if say win the league you know if say FA you can win the league. Until win the league, I require a few matches. When you're home, you know, and only your motivation factor. League in a per se, so automatically, I say go all out to win this game.
Coach, last Wednesday I won't cry. I will venue be a more than my share the moment. Not one answer more can I say. We were not impressive. Born on show many angems. No more yarding, I know my yarding can bend the
Me know where you pa, me kura many but at the end of the day, the man many chickens in say at least we are still on point. And to me, Ashe, a giant a step ahead of progress. So we are working on that. And then Omiki can send me bridge a far park at the end of the day, so when you are in the league, share me philosophy, me as a coach, me philosophy adding beauty to goal scoring. But here I got to go scoring. The beauty did not come. Bar na eko. And yes, I am okra, but it's like I didn't bar na eko. A bar na eko tells you that there's lack of understanding between me, midfielders. So, what me say, me show me let me know how to pair them. It's not about the names. It's not about the quality. It's about one more or only one board, the telepathy. So that the telepathy field is and yeah, but not that individually they play, but as a team.
Coach, I brought your friends Peter Amidu this season. I hear a bit of a sensational, but Omo Munima good year no more. I can say. Ohwɛ ne mmɔdenbɔ ne speed a ɔwɔ ne sɛnea ɔtumi twetwe no anka wo sɛ ɔhyɛ goals bebree ɛkyɛn nea wayɛ no ɛkwan bɛn so.
Yeah.
Well, everyone about the main edition of time with management. You say, and somebody be I was a young supporters, yeah, something now. False news, no, and yet TV, my concern. The guy, Yami are more China now, and United. Yeah, supporters there, those say, or top half of the table, but now you heard say, Africa matches can cry a boy, okay, beating the Samoa, the name, top, of course. I be a concern, no, the dream money, are more fun saying.
Stephen Mejewosu na memfa saa akwanya so in this media edition of management engagement with supporters in the media and of course the football family no na mema asante kotoko abusu ni na afinhyia pa idi kai de kese pa ma otikoko so timura His Royal Majesty Otumfo Osei the second and the asante my council ni na mo yimfo na fi the IMC of the club, the playing body, the supporters leadership, supporters former executive, former management members, former players, and Ubibia Dokotokobia. Na Marie ni sano de mekan say season no besha se ne yina nim say a feeling no emo be den and so you come to her say SSC GC na so isan say afra say e bia se beji and so ankopa na sa o say afini so ye no na yaji crew a 4 trophies the President's Cup, the FA Cup, the Champion of Champions, and the Toyota Cup for Ekwaji South Africa against Kaiser Chiefs. afi ase African campaign no nneɛma nkɔ sɛ deɛ yɛpɛ ɛfiri mu ba fie ɛbaa ne nim sɛ yɛahoɔden no ɛbɛtumi atwi afa yɛn counterparts ɛwɔ efie no so ba ɔno me adwene sɛ football ɛmfolo saa logic no sanse kotoko ne team biara ɛbɛhyia a ɛyɛ crucial match because team no ne kotoko bɛhyia no ɔno in the top of the season team kotoko no bɛhyia team biara ɛyɛ crucial match ma yɛ nti yɛmfa nneɛma easy na wohwɛ ɔkyena match a ɛreba so na ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa ɛsiane sɛ Bechem United sɛ m'adwene bɛkae me yie a the last two home matches na ntimi nhyɛ wɔ ayɛ drawn games 1-1 a mefiri sɛ ɛnyɛ adeɛ a yɛ supporters ne kotoko busua nyinaa ani gye ho nti ɔkyena asa kɔyɛ bronya berɛ ne nyame yɛ bɛtumi asa ayɛ soro kɔda ɛsiane sɛ wohwɛ point gap no a top on the table no yɛ 28 points a Hearts of Oak ne Aduana Stars ne hyɛ na kotoko 27 ne deɛ Hearts abɔ ne deɛ awie nti depending on Aduana match a mokɔbɔ against Young Apostles no the outcome no every time kotoko akɔda top of the league for the first time in several weeks nti ɛhyɛ match no deɛ menua ɛyɛ match a yɛtiko no ani berɛ so paa ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa nti no yɛbɛsɛ sɛ ihia dɔm na ɛtumi atwi afa Bechem United so match no deɛ ɛyɛ 3:30 p.m. ɛmɔ 12 no na yɛbie gates nyinaa ɛna sɛ ɔhyɛ Christmas day nti anigye nyinaa hɔ na yɛkɔtoa so Kumasi kɔsia da na sa akɔyɛ Christmas period deɛ megyere sɛ ɛkyena ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa
well explained na yɛhwɛ names they be fly and they people busa about youth team no progress so far. We say the Macomas no one could be said a more opportunity also go stage ben a youth team no true.
Afei mu na yɛ sign coach Efreno sɛ Coach Hamza as one of the assistants to Karim Zito. And yes, I had youth team was a share as one head coach. Or by a opposition man, Chinaman Fe. Menoka say, the man chain ball or mobono. People don't know if you say, if you necessarily go there. Could the coincidence that a more classic was since I place be a young man chain be used home. See a gram no say. And say this season I introduced to be a loss in by a ball of Bubian, a missa, or by a ball of Bubian. 5 of our players nso Ekolum or United are almost in their Division 1 campaign. In fact, 3 of them almost started in every game for Oko. In Tino, Samranti Ebo Momodina Kujamza no team there. Eba Buama Kotoko. The idea I did to youth team no. At me abamu say, on be feedi the senior side na Emma Kototo players be bring say the time in the supporters show mbo say Manchester so much am hunu so no na no ene this team kobo waguna fast track division 2 side waguna no na nya match kitwa ye nyina hu Manchester be mo no money on ayi na diso mo nti no ebebo makotoko senior side no Manchester kitwa na timi abasisi nti no edomo bank akra abe blended with some of the senior players na mutaya ide youth team abam
na ebimu eka youth team no progress na ye main team no so afi the idea nyapa injuries supporters and cancer management e also mo hwehwe mu you because en ko ba say e team yenya wo nyina mbo match we buy na we go a bit of a concern to supporters also sa na mo fa no na ade na mo so mo ya afa mo injuries.
Well, no, you have say intensity. Say in a club, nobody plays at a point in time. We had about 12 players here. Now, almost various degrees of injuries. Nyamiadum, in this situation, no assessor. See, I'm not say. So, we players here, only out of the season. Omuntu me mo bi cry. Me no anami nsabi. Didi kai ye left full back in front of Shaibu Abubakar. Afia ye sign on abrante no wayɛ surgery in sent no season aka no deɛ ɔmmɔ bi nim sɛ treatment a ɔfa mu no deɛ ɔbɛba stronger afei player friend sɛ Ntimanu the midfield dynamo ɔno nso ɔyɛ out of the season players forward friend Isaac Minta deɛ nim sɛ somewhere around February March deɛ na waba nanso no na registration akɔ so ntini fa ne sɛ ɔno nso ɔyɛ out of the season na mmom the good story ne sɛ mmeranteɛ bi te sɛ Adabo ɔhyɛ ase a wɔyɛ training Saka Dauda nso ahyɛ ase a wɔyɛ training Ansu ɛne wale ne ma koraa deɛ nim sɛ ɔkyena bi a ɔmo camp koraa ne a ɔmo deɛ they are back nti sɛ deɛ woyi saa mmeranteɛ mmiɛnsa medical boy so ɔmo yɛ out of the season ɛne Felix Chebafo a yɛhwɛ ne mu sɛ na ɔtwe ntɛm no Elvis Chebafo yɛbɛnya ne final report no a megye sɛ players no dodoɔ no ade na meadom ɔmo ho ato mu a ɔkyena Kote for several months defender also afei deɛ waba koraa na meadom a ebia yɛbɛregister for this window na wɔtumi bɛka te mu
injury dodoɔ no ɛhwɛ sɛ recovery ne bi mu ka sɛ it's about a training pitch workload only medical team di nkɔmmɔ no report bɛn na management wɔnya ɛfa injuries no
well
ebi mu deɛ real caring
ebi aka training pitch ho asɛm nti wobɛhwɛ ase sɛ yɛmove kɔ the new pitch a yɛayɛ no so ne bi no feel sɛ the old pitch no na ne state no any all that suitable for the players nti ama yɛmove am kɔ the new pitch no so ni sɛ ɛno so bɛboa ebi so feel sɛ training ho nsɛ training nsɛm no bi ɛwɔ a ɛsa hwɛ mu biam a technical team no ankasa no do baabi a ɔmo ankasa no yɛ adwene sɛ ɔmo asesa ɔmo training regime no afei medical teams no nso no yɛn ɔmo hyia so ɔmo nso very ɔmo treatment schemes no ɛhwɛ sɛ bi ana players bi wɔ ha ɔmo ho mpɛ treatment no bi a whole lot of kasa na ɛkɔ so ebinom si players na ankasa nso no ɔmo personal nneɛma bi nso wɔ ha so ɔmo nso hwɛ die sɛbi odidie mu koraa no ne nyinaa ka ho ɛberɛ sɛ sɛ woda na wonya otumi gye wahoma nyinaa no ɛka ho di ɛyɛ a lot of factors na yɛhwɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ improve no na ma ne nyinaa atumi asesa ne rate a the players ne si ɛpirapira wohwɛ sɛ deɛ ɔmo ho si atɔ ɔmo no a megye di sɛ measures no a yɛde gu akwan mu no na ahyɛ aseɛ ɛyɛ de positive results nti hope sɛ ɛbɛba fam koraa
injuries no clear hɔ but one of the issues about Nkrofo Atebi ɔmabɔ m'akyi paa yɛ as management ayɛ the issue of Albert Amoa gya na ɔkɔ ebi mu sɛ ɛna wɔde player no akɔkyɛ sɛbi ebi mu kɔ to the extent sɛ ɛkame a ɛsɛ dɛm sɛ men of esteem dignity sɛ wɔn baabi a wɔde bi ɛkɔ ebi mu feel sɛ sɛbi wɔnim bi a wɔyɛ koraa nokura wɔ mu ne sɛ yɛ supporter wɔ abɔnten a ɔde watete bi wɔ radio so a wɔnim sɛ ne asɛm ne te ankasa wokyerɛ mu sɛ na akyerɛ
well yɛn nyinaa yɛnim sɛ football ayɛyɛ no ɛyɛ ɛkwan ahodoɔ bebree ne fa so nyɛ sika de bɔ team no ɛbra mprempren a no ka sɛ the main source of funds and funding for the club no ɛyɛ His Royal Majesty okunsoɔ no a ban nso gye di sɛ yɛntumi nya ma okunsoɔ nko a sɛ abere biara no ɔmfa sika mmerɛ tim nti bɛhwɛ other sources ebi ne sponsorship esi a yɛnim sɛ we have some sponsors on board Hisense yɛnaso no ne yɛ adwuma Koba a wɔn yɛ online financial technology wɔn nso so fintech company wɔn ne yɛ di adwuma afei THB whole brand the key sponsors of course the country mineral water nso ɛɛboa yɛn we the country mineral water the country yes biara nso a yɛ recommend ma yɛ supporters ne Ghana for the country of course Alpha Lotto nso they are also on board ɛna bodukwan multi-fruit nso so wɔn nyinaa ɛboa beyond that players says nso no ɛkwan fa so nyɛ sika de bɔ team bra all over the world yɛn nyinaa anim sɛ teams ɛtɔn players nyɛ sika de bɔ team bra in the case of Albert Albert no de Kenya contracts previously ɛma management ɛsrɛ yɛ asɛ ɔntwɛn kakra na ɔmpeke but wonim sɛ the players wo de wo no na ɛkɔba sɛ player benya contract first one second one woman nkwana the third time they begin say player no tia tua kora no a obetwen ya say the contract be so na odwan yakɔ free ebi atokotoko the likes of Frederick Asare kora last season a former captain Mafedai
Mukwala
Agadas ne a former Mafedai
Lamptey.
Lamptey yes also my inquiry Osmati Lamptey had to wait for the contract not to come to an end now occur as a free man. So the question is, should we have allowed the contract of Abetamwa to run down for him to have gone as a free man in Rihanna? The answer is obviously no. So we're buying an intimate incident. Of course, the question is his car. Now, a coin, the mamma will say, Kotoko be a different Kotokosika in. Nay, transfer home, Emra, Abawiasi, Seneno, or transfer car, and some those. Scandia na Bank of Ghana. And not two question and answers. Any process any from and I did. Indeed, Scandia na Omopiana dada. Indeed, Obi and for Scandia.
Okay, what class issue no. Another big problem. I get out of the same player and they say, okay, no games baby, I dropping points or what? Keep it in a striking department. You might share down. I mean, you say also acquire can defer also that to me and also I how send the F on now a crime and the F so I rectify the goal scoring issue.
Well, to be fair to Albert, players who say, me say Albert Oha obey be there, and so there were matches here, no woman, any man to me. Nti omo mo aka no yemo mama so mo so ayi bi you say Kotoko player be player be ko yes ade ne e gazi ekọ echi a ene be ko a ka yimi na so mo sambra Albert o continue close the chapter on him na omo maka no yem protect him and until now say we have to wait for the second window football no say mra wo enya bre bia na betuma san player nti Albert no okọ de so na strikers no so bi ho me no ina say Kofa Donzo by as a striker na wabɔ match adi ne din wabɔ matches with various clubs e wo say obo no homodin but goals are expecting NMI a football a collective responsibility or any day obi aso so be any day aboa the good thing is say abehia say you benya one or two strikers abe beef up the squad indeed the assurance is that in this second window DFA ABA from the 16th of December, you know, I swear supporters say one or two strikers. About the team no, na almost about 2,000 years juma. The umunya receive my.
Okay, about strikers. See, are there now the supporters? The one edi hu ya on say, ye top players a to be play, maybe so another play a free. As I call a transfer period, you know, who say. Who say and I say numbers to do nice and bad and I say this time around they are not supporters and
training. You know you are say underscore management. Because you more your than said the supporters no any the football family expect it. Go all over the will be say who say transfer of players, who say recruitment in the papa. The try be I say Sadi ni bisiano. It's all be a Udi injuries here on here, Sana by but you can't say this second window no. You sign players more than 3. In fact, you both say only 2 players. Na based on bibi ebesi nti condition bi ebesi a ebi amana ko 3 a ɛnyɛ me nwanwa.
Okay.
But you decided to be only 2 players. Now, subsequently, Crano said the youth team will see more than Crani. So our numbers now won't be a trouble, dear. Says 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, dear. Even CBM. And I can assure all our supporters, even CBM.
Lawyer, you remember name your supporters no do only busa question our live stream here I'm a person with DB FM. Obi busa say plans ben your ma youth team no aside the say omo division 3 and the kan and the tosu mienu so omo busa say Asante Kotoko female team be affiliated your affiliation with female team. And then the third question Fabu census registration and no sense kakra. O family say we are
And you know, measures free Fabu census. You can say Fabu census. You want to say a game changer in terms of turning the economic fortunes of the club. Is it because you say any babes sanya mama in this era, man for that Emma Stadium no. Any out of now Macron so register Fabu census. Now what we are usikamaya and kayepe. Na say na jenicity say the various platforms and what's no processes no enya de heading online no person ko so oko www.fabucensus.com na and I say who download Kotoko Express app na from the Play Store and App Store na and the for process no simple. And if you also have USD code no so star 920 star 99 hash from all networks. O send there. A simple process. Any chitino and edition. Any assistant process no is so simple. Bobu so ni make krebi na una okon. So who to now open so una contact via for assistance here. Number ni 059 921 0021 059 921 0021 into www.fabucensus.com and I say download Kotoko Express app no from Play Store and App Store or phone so and now the audience USD code no so star 920 star 99 hash na supporters no registration categories no say ni ayo supporter biara na ho odin no ye wodu biara no betimi atwa in the standard no 5 cedis per month ti wo cost obetire wo de ope bronze a busumi biara betwa 10 cedis na ebetew wo cost silver no a 20 cedis se ope gold a 50 cedis se ope diamond a 100 cedis se ope platinum na 500 and the royal no category now person supporter o de oye royal no bia eno na ye 500 a month registration no de no $1,000 $500 in city no afei I'm very interested in my referee obi say the virtual seat challenge omo mo nya kwa ma stadium o pese on de oto ni seat no Kotoko Momo number no you say 054 97 65 842 0549 76 5842 o send the Momo number na beba Kotoko Idim Street now they want to sit now ma afa yenhwe the youth team no but I we are team all over the world the youth team they say e be feed the senior teams no they say Abrant enkwanu swasa na o the philosophy team philosophy no na ehase awura omumu ti mi so oba oni Kotoko no na di awura ni mundi no o na kuma na bibia wate Kotoko philosophy na se wate Kotoko tradition na se ndi oba odo de ma Kotoko no bibia eyesonko di ye promote bia ba Kotoko senior side na other clubs so we interested so ne bi so ekoboa of course and na business aspect no we free football mo a eneji se be say bia no ye team apart from some compete e wo division 3 no na ye youth players a omo stronger ye nkare sika say de ebile bi atwa mu da bi ya na kotoko de sika kese akoto players bi a obi titi wo mu yen so titi bi na se omo kwama no ne any fie ko ball a no mo pija kotoko din yen mi say you players bi omo kokko they are doing well the likes of Isaka no omo Vitus omo ko United omo ina ye players ya eno makolu eboa eno okoko a omo bo mako ba Premier enye ahanko foreign na aso no expect say enche kra no say players bi ebe kokko team sakese na eni omo
Obi Busa say update on Adakojachi project saying 24% omo shem
Adakojachi project no eye opumuso no ankasa na yura odin tutu egu kwa mu enye na den kakra no say project say opumuso nsa untimi kan ho asem kese minim say various projects koso ene kra mi no kase management ali adu ho say ye friends wo afasas no nyina ahia ya shasia ye to friends wo because number be kuti ayi sanse open to the public you say ye friends wo no gym center so koso ye supporters ye mo secret 001 North America omuju medi omuju so koso pa and of course opunso won the plan of the Adakojachi a njise mu no enche kra no obi nyina di se de osipa no
another big issue security there be a rumor and they say the issue of players some contract in him say at the end of the at the end of the season half notably Peter Midu Akwa Samba Unel Kamara and others are so integral to the project now. Commodity na could you say update ben now at the supporters.
Okay, that's Steven. And the crazy players are Obu Mudina. Contract the can in 1 year. Say season is one na contract na abanawi na management entrance. In fact, answer Nebeka 1 year crown and the management shall say any side players in a bidding with a home. Na ya hwese ombetimi a extend contract na isan say ye hia o services bio na no kre omu say ebesi say me no kasa ne no yentimi en strike deal ana say yentimi enwin contract no isan say ye processes negotiations ne koso ye frɛ omo and ya to manim say de hia ebesi no mo to aso e adwuma omo so ati o madwene na de woman say player contract renewal enough is say player no kotoko decide say obi renew contract dey so won say other clubs so interested player no who say ni bo so abaso nti on fa the easiest baby ameka say contract e sign no between player no ne kotoko nti obia wo ni interest nti ne kotoko penkwa na ya na yenya ene sa e baka se bia nka player bi unya no kwa na o ya dia o se ne e bia mfie bebre but unya ne sa ene player wo na okope no ono kwa na di ne team se ma wo san wo na open wonya no amfie miensa mfie mienu ena egusu ayeye assurance my supporters ne say kasa ne de igusu e no muka enough but the best wo ti ase ne say the management ye ho de betimi bia no igusu ye se de be ya enkoye se ye hwe han na place no eja yim nti whatever decision be bia no ye be hu ne say e be bo akotoko ti be di betimi bia say the supporters no omo ni team players nso omo bomo de nso ye hu so omo so bomo de no omo ni ese bobia se be retain bia de gusu nti at the end of the day no ye hu de bi betimi ya di wem say minya samantin but I must admit say an easy task. So we renew player contract. You say nneɛma bɛfa but ɛnyɛ easy.
Actually, say lawyer uche mu a contract ya na mpempi yet 2 years no. Anye because emu nim say ha adwene mu nipa no na ohia no ono so the terms about it. You can't go beyond tina ya na akobasa.
ɛnokora contracts terms of the contract no ɛyɛ afanu no ɛsan contract no ɛna decide. In fact wo a wohia wo yɔnko no baabi a wona woda no fam na deɛ ɔno pɛ no na wonya ɛsiane sɛ wona wo so wopɛ no club bi so ɛpɛ no nti baabi a no wɔyɛ no mabɛyɛ ade hyeɛ ɛwɔ wo so nyɛ deɛ wopɛ na wobɛnya anka nyɛ saa deɛ a anka players yɛ mo contract yɛ so ɛberɛ a yɛsam na nka ɛhia ebinom koraa bi a 5 years 6 years but ɔmo power no ne kura ɔmo na ɔde nkyɛn yɛ ɛsiane sɛ yɛ na yɛhia mo services.
No contract mu sɛm sɛ ehia nkurɔfoɔ paa o. Obi say adena mu open a fund for a supporter project. Say ti say bia hostel bi. Na yɛhu sɛ ɔmo gye ntoboa aba na yɛsi for the youth team. Sɛ ne bɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi akampo ɔmo nyinaa nti nka ɔmo tumi nya budget bi. Yɛyɛ estimate sɛ yɛbɛ sɛ yɛyɛ hostel adema youth team na yɛbɛkɔ sisi na nka yɛ open a fund for the supporters. Sɛ nka ɔmo take charge of.
Ne nyinaa na yɛde akɔwie adeɛ baako so sɛ fabu census. Fabu census sika na yɛgye ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ kɔtɔkɔ ho bra na yɛde bɛbɔ. Kɔtɔkɔ hi asɛm na ɛbɛsɔbo yɛ financial issues. Nti yɛmfa ahoɔden ne nyinaa nkɔ fabu census. Because sika bi ankyɛ sika bi. Fabu census no ɛyɛ foto a yɛbɔ ma kɔtɔkɔ sɛ kɔtɔkɔ bɛnya sika ɛde akiti players. Kɔtɔkɔ bɛnya sika ɛde anya football infrastructure. Nneɛma ɛho football mu aka deɛ ahodoɔ. Kɔtɔkɔ bɛnya sika ɛkɔ Africa yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ama presence mu ayɛ den na yɛtumi compete well. Nti fabu census na aba sɛ ɛyɛ common fund a sika bi ɛbɔ bia no kasa abotaeɛ nyinaa no ɛbɛsɔ. Nti obiara na ahoɔden nkɔ tie fabu census n'akyi. Nyɛ sɛ afei ahoɔden mɛhwɛ kɔtɔkɔ home matches na wonya gate process kɔ soro na fabu census gyina yi a sika no bi a deɛ yɛde bɛyɛ bia no ɛmu na ɛbɛfiri aba.
As I just said, the baby may fabi wo ye YouTube wo no abɛfa bi wo TikTok wo. Obi busa say or say or suggest it or no there your question or suggest say you youth players no I was saying your pet foreign exposure and more. Send a you menya confident. Yes, and na expose you to foreign market. Into your youth team also questioner where Moro Musa. And so the suggestion or the aba I will maybe say plan B or hosa. So how do you hold that?
I almost say a gradual process. We shall see how you build a team. When your team now feel when your infrastructure so working. You say you run enya konya say no over this stadium you run there. Oh, boss. Na ji bia me say you say ho no youth team ne ko. A me say you are do to here. So the team na be ko for study mo boss na o ma ko camp ho. I am permanent base. Na nti wo nya team no wie na wo nya infrastructure no wie a. Na o brand team no wie a. Afei wo nya sponsorship try say obi sim ko team no agina. Nti me arrange na we dey mo ko to Europe. Ana obi ko anfo anko no say wan kasa so usuto ne ma yi a. Na usika sɛm gyina sɛ yɛn nso bɛtumi organize ko ɛno nti na de bia yɛ kasika nyinaa no yɛ firi nyinaa ano no nti no me nua yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhyehyɛ team no yie na ɛgyina nyinaa so na yɛ facilities no nso ɛgyina nyinaa so na team no yɛ branding yie na ɔkyena yɛkɔ baabi a no a na kyerɛ sɛ ayɛ fɛ na yɛakɔ no na saa abotae no deɛ ade a yɛde papapaa na nkakra we shall get there.
I had was your final questions in the doors with the real lawyer and the ones we are no. Or say, do you think that relying on the Fabu Sensu could help revive the team? Looking at the current trend of football, have you assessed the current interest of supporters in the team?
And so, That is
You say in China, new global supporters chairman and then executive.
yes. As I speak to you now, you supported leadership. You at the said but say, person for businesses no, running at their secretariat. In principle, management they agree. Say a person start doing the show because supporters the idea. Person running business any consua. Now say supporters here doko dia. Now a numbers here get Canadian. Now a supporters 100,000 some subscribe to Fabu's interest. Now I'm going to go see Kasama Peja. Then 1 million. We didn't 100,000. You say I'm 28,000. Visa and 20 crowd. It is a heck. Fabu's also see a modern way. No, a coin will be baby. On track, I say, can you know? May cause secretary at Chaco Chase can the receipt. Let's say, nay, about for the Roma. Which I tell baby, I will be a ranka or you be a madia. Let's say, those supporters said a club said a candia. If you say no, one of the best ways here, which my genetics come out.
Lawyer, we school questioner, Bisana say, or see, or more diaspora. I na ko mpɛ sɛ ɔmo hwɛ yɛ matches ɛwɔ YouTube na obisa sɛ adɛn nti na yɛntumi ɛyi yɛ match ɛwɔ league matches yi ɛwɔ YouTube na ɔmo nso ntumi nhwɛ bi.
Well, minimum na social media team sɛ nkɔmɔdie no ɛɛkɔ so sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ebi tuma tutu nneɛma yie na saa adeɛ no because yɛn nuanom ɔmo wɔ amanani nso no ebinom twɛ sika de bɔ club nti it's only fair sɛ Omenya konya shokotoko matches in this era say easy so obenya match ahwe on social media no me say very soon and say no betimi awie say enche bia no some matches e be stream no on our social media platforms eba so nti this will rest assured say enche no say be wie pay
Ɛna well me dey told you no so mun kan hu ni say Premier League match we don't own it.
Say right no anytime say nkomodie no koso say ni na tutu yi man ya na ebetumi anya sa right na mo ahwe bi
yeah obi so question ne say ɛdeɛn na montuo na management A2 say na ɛbɛyɛ a indiscipline asɛm ada bia ɔmote ɛwɔ radio si yɛde besia no
sɛ mbɛtena aka sɛ bibia yɛ kotokotim ma na me dada yɛ ho like any setup bia obekom no obenya saa issues of indiscipline bi say ekoso isan say nipa nipa no matter what you do no matter the measures we put in place over checking indiscipline obenya 1 or 2 people bibia no ombeko wayward the critical question is say ekoba dia na mo na sese yetu se betimi akaibo sade benim se kotoko sensem bi aba ama management kra at the discipline committee a ye sensible mo players na bi abe face the discipline committee of management ye dey report akoto the entire management in anywhere very soon say management able to take a decision on some of these issues of indiscipline. Everybody enche.
Obi question that will be say we the why it's simple. Titia. Was it are you selling somebody now? No question will be say.
Well, somebody will not a player. Na said the me na money player the do some form na or attract other clubs, especially from outside the country. Say, everybody know. Intino, yeah, decision bia decision bia management no must be in the best interest of Kotoko. Say Koba say do baby na you say you cannot continue to hold on to the player. Let's say offer ban say there. Na je say be lose player na dey me say offer na ban say ye na say man kwa e bo Kotoko a edu kwa e be take this decision. But omo any rest assured say Kotoko ni ji say e be maintain your quality no na yenya results yɛpɛ no ɛnyɛ yɛbotan ne sɛ bere biara no yɛbɛtɔn players daabi nso kɔduru baabi ne sɛ yɛhu bi ne sɛ ɛnyɛ yie di a ɛneɛ yɛbɛyɛ deɛ yɛbɛboa kɔtɔkɔ a ɔkyena bɛ obi nsa nkɔbila mu yɛ sɛ yɛanyɛ proactive.
Obi nso sɛ sika bi a ɛbɛba players no bi a montɔn ɔmo na ɔmo nkɔ ɔmo ntumi ngya ɔmo nkɔ firi da biara obi nso
sɛ ɔhu sɛ sɛ a yɛdi nkɔmmɔ yɛgu so a yɛka players asɛm no sɛ yɛbɛ renew contract a ɛnsi yie na yɛhwɛ a na bɛka bi a 6 months 4 months na player no bɛkɔ ama kɔtɔkɔ ɛnya biribi adeɛ a ne sɛ ɔfa bi ba ne sɛ kɔtɔkɔ bɛnya biribi afiri mu rather than sɛ kɔtɔkɔ bɛlusu players no deɛ a ɛne na yɛnhwɛ ma kɔtɔkɔ ɛnlusu koraa ne kyerɛ sɛ investment ayɛ in the players no yɛtumi ɛrekupu bi a na yɛde kwan so a.
Lawyer, we Adumba will say the currency for Fabu Census for foreign-based supporters is dollars. Can we have in euros too? Anytime I pay my contribution, my Visa card is blocked by the bank. So for some time now, I have stopped. We name how we TNT.
Yeah, I think say we should have a second look at dollar issue. But your major currencies will be enemy say, and be a dollar ne pound selling ne euro there. I say it take care of them. Indeed, what can you know? My noting it down. I will consult the management of Fabu Census say, and then say yeah no, omo revise the registration fee, any monthly contribution for our people outside the country.
Obviously, the question I will be saying, na was sense to be the question I will be saying, say no, as I took out to in Yesicano every Bank of Ghana, and I say process no any young by the
Well, Sikano Bank of Ghana. When we say as at last week, now we almost through with the processes. Engineer, every having a cry. So it's gonna be I will do on my control Ghana. It shouldn't be a problem at all.
Obviously, social media, yeah, can be almost say journalists in the allegation we do know who is a drop. And I'm over na mutu on the basis of any man okay. Na ya na mutibi first of all the question no mutibi na mutibi ade na mo ya found.
Yeah, because as in supporters ni ya dofo nyina say. So opekotoko story. We have our official social media channels. A whole na kotoko sorry press about bontin awo. And let me say bloggers ni journalists almost social media no dey. Ono ene wonu say social media na iska. Enti nsem obeka dey anya nsika no woka. Enti dey kotoko supporter. Enye ho necessary wo kotoko story part two story a odi wa adwene eko. Ne mu fo adwene bra kotoko social media channels. It is our management engagement here, as I say. You better trust why you go to say. Go for being home, say the true facts. I know. Setting the record straight, I know. Indeed, you best say supporters and say, "Oh, to story here." The person about on team biade. A channels no, hona binyano. Name no. Esan say sebe intro uja intro say enyina da bia na ya dan no credit no yentina we continue to engage yen supporters no say the ya in the social media na fe de no credit no agina
Lawyer Entwibo Siako Debra the message or the ama YouTube ni say o say ade bi ha no na de ha no pa ne say management ko meeting bia na leaky na YouTube for and then discuss the management akoye almost sad the end the almost supporters and people see akona atwe nya de a etwa yi edema club it is akotoko.
Well, me dey say enya nsem nyina na o te say obi discuss with social media na free management meetings say dem aka no and the bloggers no they have several ways here. Omo appear to be true, but do not know anything. Omo ati bo mutimu ekeka omo nsɛm a ɛne sɛ yɛde adwene kɔ but as management no yɛbɔ mmɔden bi a sɛ yɛnyɛ decision yɛbɛteki ɛwɔ meetings deɛ nkɔ abɔnten.
Richard Giman so say instead of buying players or best suggest say emphasis can and develop Adakojachi. Now one of the Obana say who said nine cray for crown as a park and also players in your crowd no you're okay and say yeah they be players.
Yes, Adakojachi deɛ ɛda yɛ nyinaa yakoma so a ɛda ɔpemsoɔ so akoma so me deɛ menim sɛdeɛ ɔpemsoɔ pɛ sɛ ɔsi ɛyɛ Adakojachi ma no kɔduru baabi a ɛbɛsɔ ni paa nti no ogu na ho bɔ so a ɔhyehyɛ ne nneɛma ɛbɛkɔ sɛ deɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛsi pɛ no nti ɔmɛnya arɛsi mu na yɛn support team no ɛwɔ dwumadie nyinaa.
Lawyer, there will be say a pussy beam no, and it's a what it say, you say, work of Ivory Coast strikers be now, strikers bend 9 billion. More say Bako cried as mom on the contract, say, Uncle Shuma and Chebiano, more finalize it deal at the Amasa striker. Names in the Bobby, it be say, Dogley be our war heart of lions, it be more say, Prince Bedubi, a dinner nipa natural doors ye. I am be a mama player be contract so Uncle Shuma. Once I Ivory Coast player be.
Well, sir, this is no kasa CCA no kotoko ensane player bia in this window no ye bia no. But say dem aka no. Ye hwe no musie besan a midfielder and a striker. 2 players. Se bi akoya miensa na ye bibi ebesinti and about 3 players. Inti yensan obia.
Also one side Koulibaly views.
No.
In his sanity.
Inti na meka say sorry na mo hu social media no do no am disregard. They be fire your social your channels ho no. E na story papa. Jaka nyina no. E free kotoka so ye. Ti won timi fa wakoma eni achi sa.
Oya ni obi asa ni message bi or say players are yedi o machi nyina o nye better than nkwara no ye youth team no. Nti mo more confident no mo ni nya scan e de kwa abonten.
Nti no so the medical can confidence no na ya hyase say ye introduce wo gradually. Emisa kwa the last season bakaka. Afi so wabam. Say loss ya ba. Say 1 or 2 so saba. Adams no. It no I can assure your supporters and say sad players you carry sika kwato to na bonten no. E you when mo na other clubs no say say etu no mo diba. Yen kwato ko no yen timi spend this as say youth team ho na yen ja o say team no mo sa be kwa use of. It be make good use of our youth players ya. Yen go say players do go be abi. It free from next year no. Sa 11 12 13 14 players ni there. E be ti bi da. So the second window 2 players and no cry no injury situation na I din say players ni bi ntimi ba na ma ya hu say league ni mo yede nti ba ko ye no bi mebo enu na sia na most of our youth players no na omo mature omo bi ye more of them ebeba.
Obi question will be say nipa no wo Denmark and I will be say also almost a contract money players sign no. And based on performance and answer bibia because was a terminate to be an answer nipa na sa also almost the current contract I sign or kotoko no. A performance based contract and as a open contract and na tie can be an nature.
Well, contracts never be brain na ekom. My you say in under FIFA. The football governing body no you wo standard a da hon ma oy contract bia e say you follow inti club no in the open up in fact most of the conditions terms no can favor players no each clubs no FIFA no nti a oy ni sa inti you best say kotoko you follow standard ya ye dey a contract which includes performance. The performance no you can first measure. Inti ni na mo no sɛ kɔba sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛ based on performance ne timi edi contract a ne nyinaa yɛwɔ kwanya sɛ yɛbɛyɛ nti ɔmo nya resɛ mu sɛ ebire biara no we are guided by the FIFA rules on contracts.
Lawyer, the Obi Busa will have the supply. I say, please tell management to get their own TV and radio station.
And also, biara na yɛyɛ sɛ ɛne deɛ in this technological world deɛ TV ni biara na yɛyɛ but I mean maybe of free ban traditional way no so no plans wɔ hɔ ebi wɔ pɛ sɛ nka kotoko TV nsa ebi wɔ pɛ but biara na yɛyɛ so no ne nyinaa they are all in the pipeline yɛhyehyɛ nneɛma no.
Obi say Oman or so non corpus so tia fabu sensors ni bi through paper into senka. Ebetimi akriti paper account sɛnea ɔbɛyɛ a ɔno nso ebetimi a contribute bi a anka ɔno nso no how kakra ɔno ɛna we nso sɛ one day ɔsrɛ mu a ɔse baabi a yɛakɔduru no ɔse wahwɛ youth team no wahwɛ ɔmo match sɛ wɔde ɔmo akyi akyɛ ɔsrɛ mu a mongya youth team no na ɔmo mbɔ senior team no period ɔno asɛm a ɔde aba no we also say let's encourage a very good youth system where we will feed the senior team with players. When we have to buy it, it should be top talent in Africa. But so just say Indian local players in HDD. Na say we to play and part. The oya dey or Africa. Ni akofana beka youth team player ya promote no. No feel say sikana yeah too good no players ni be ordinary too much into youth team number one. And Abraham also say a concern over stadium attendance. I suggest the supporters union start to engage the up and coming youth to sell Kotoko Vision to them. And yeah, Abraham also the suggestion or the about.
Mami free baby no be outside the country or person pay through paper. When you say yes no, then you say the easy ways no be ne visa card ne transfer ne ade no but issues we no so be abeba akohia say ese babu census management no omo ntimi include sa other ways a enyan mo so omo visa card ne we omo ntimi nya eno no the other means ne na we count no in the next few weeks no omo se sanema me de other methods a one for bit me from other countries ni na bi abeka ho ndi omunya resem youth team ne dey yaka say I mean me Kotoko supporters say omuhu say youth no kwa na ebo a support bi omunya bo no be mo say ebo na enye yiye kwa omunim say omo youth na ebo omo pick up Kotoko so nya na ema youth no nya na ema player the supporters na ntimi no mo ya dwene ti na make catch them say omunya resem saa players yɛkɔ tɔn bebrebe no ebi nsi bi gradually no youth no be bank kakra ɔyɛ ntimi nyɛ all of a sudden sɛ wode ɔmo nko a ɔmo nyɛ kakra ɛnu na sia na peki pa
obi so busa female team na ebusa na nso sɛ ɛwɔ affiliation bi why
obi yɛ no sɛ maybe atwam na ɔbɛto Fabulous Ladies na no sɛ Fabulous Ladies ɔmo ne Kotoko na yetu ana ho it was officially no any Kotoko team but omuna you know ehwebom in the year the NFL Fabulous Ladies unofficially
yeah obi say ono so we moro o say on the encobe suggest say Kotoko mpe club obi wo Europe say na be ya be tibine na nya exchange programs so be easier for us say betimi enya youth players ni bi akọ betimi enya senior team no abo international matches na exposure no etimi aye kese e de ama
me ka say maybe atwam Kotoko ne Sunderland chance sen ke bisa na kwa recently so no Kotoko ne Southampton so chance sen ke mu menya village but I think say it's in order say benya serious affiliation with some of these foreign clubs and no it bet me ama yɛ players no ɛnyɛ konya ne technical teams no akonya training na through that no yɛtumi asɛle kɔtɔkɔ well nti is something that management is also looking at yɛn marketing directors ne yɛn external and corporate affairs directors wɔn nyinaa ɛretu anamɔ sɛ wɔbɛtumi astrike saa deals no bi ama kɔtɔkɔ na this time deɛ ɛbɛyɛ well organized na nkɔyɛ sɛ an idea wonder biara nti is something on the table a ɛbɛbɔ kɔtɔkɔ.
Lawyer, open so then the question where you Henry say one of the anka or Serena was suggested kakra say like a management IMC and the anka bre and I say omo say open so beti menya bramo na confirm to him say on launch operation build Kotoko Sports Stadium. Abro be invited all the businessmen are free Kumasi and Ashanti region. Say be ombeye donation kakra say ye build Kotoko Stadium. Ye nanka stance biya no the businessmen no obi anya biya de ne din ato so say we stand. Ono so ye Henry. Ono suggestion ono so deba.
Ye okay yina yakabi. Say o chire a hu say is so easy say you are influencers can be don for music camera and it's so easy and then we feel from physical camera to come o busa say me benefit ya menya any day and nothing na encourage your supporters say kotokono ni nim no ana edom jechi no enne yanka football no aye more than na yasi na hu ye no anka nya saa ene ke bi ekwan ama saa ne ma mo kanyina ba se na woto wa say skani bi mfanisi camera kotokomo saa no ono wo hwe ne benefit obenya free mu ohun supporters e ba stadium say edom no mo patronize bi ameme ne ma bi ameton omwo nti ba sese saa ne mena de ntia de bi ya kasa animu nyina ne say ye organize ye hu yi na edom no saa ebedi achi because obia opesa woni no etu anamon ohwe edom a edi club na chi na attract no because obia no o for Christmas say me divisi gaba ABC stadium zero you need not less than $30 million $40 million it is a wonu wa anya bibi fapem ya nyina so a because obia mfa nisi camera because say obeso collapse my business because in return me nya bibi amfrim na mom assurance na o say me ba no kotoko gate process kra anasa edom beba stadium mama mimi products go bet patronize ya me say in a few years time kan dey me send be menya e na ono e betu na mo but ne no otuna ni kotoko supporters na oba stadium ubet account to supporters etu ididie na obenya free say oni ho be kotoko na obetwe sika kese sa edimo me nya fapem be nyina so na yen sase say ye edi ye kotoko na chi na numbers no abu afa so na fabu census sika no agina na nipa no ko obo no say kotoko no nkasa adikai enya bibia eda na account mo no bibia odi sase na mabebo no na wo see under this current situation ya mu na stadium hwe ya support no anyone ordinary but to say menya musika isan say bibia eba supporters be patronize ya eba yedi intimo mi ancha say edom no be sa ba bi di kotokochi na ayakono na attract sponsorship.
Lawyer, aka sima ba kona the nadi every na yen few one. Obi say of the general overview of the summary of the state of Kotoko now in summary.
Well, yedi kind the playing body. E hona asemi na ne team na ebobo no. So far league no enye the best. Maybe I don't know what kepe. But the good thing is we are still within. Save it magic league. But it's easy because a dominance there was not a catch. Ubia it is kotoko. Ubia kotoko match bia in World Cup match. Inti e Madrid league e more thing. But you just speak more. Ochina it means at 3 points here. Ebi eba quarter top. Playing body no. Say they kind no. You will enough players. Na injuries na high this season. Nyame adum. Enje papa ne treatment ye dey mo won ntino. Ama ene situation I improve. In the first season no by end no. The next season no, you be a full set. Ebi be ko na dodo no a be return youth team no ye hye na say dey be ya bit manya mrantie ni bi ama be fit into the senior team a enko say next season ye start ko sign player bia next season enko sign player bia omo no prepare no na me adum treatment ye dey omo fam no dodo no a omo nyina ba be kan nsa na youth players no so omo timi e matuo no abeka omo na bebo makotoko me yemfa ye support ni bibia encouragement mo omo say kotoko players sensa no ye jai the youth na ebe gina mama ye te dia ho de nyina ekota youth na chi isika sem na enyina yi enu nti na ye nyina ye atum se ye bema ye na injetia wo baba yara na se ba bia kotoko bo ne ho bia na gate process na koso se de kane no wo ye kotoko a unim se wo gate process de emu odu a de obo so de bia betumi aye Fabu Census abase kotoko support de we asing na ehia se obenantia ko secretariat ana obeko obi wo se betwe sika abaji receipt ene abefo kwanso no monko so university social media channels no ebeko so e the procedure no nyina tuga kwan befa so abe register abaye Fabu Census ni abaye kotoko ni mapa obenya card ne so na yedi duma bia ubetimi de edibie yene supporters new leadership no e ka bom send to bia sese bia de bo kotoko sa pega na ye kese biom no e be sa ye sanse kotoko yini padodo no akoma kotoko yini padodo no source of happiness ndi em hwe makotoko no enkofam but yehia dom yehia sika ndi obia ma na ni nkoni kotoko ho na yintu na mo se bi di kotoko chi aba stadium abetue sika for kotoko home matches na gate process no aba Fabu Census numbers no increase na afisese na ye wodom a itimi de nsasi ye bo say bibi e disika ye football bia no ibetimi de bia ye sense kotoko din ne de standard aka ho aka de
we that's ombra wanyama ye say no wakan subsequently ye baba na nya supporters wo ebisa bia no wetimi ebisa ti ye bedo ase say
radio engagements no so eba ye more it's very soon nipa bi din eba tuja ombe boy radio engagements no in less than 1 week it din be tuja awon be diduma ade abo the promotion of matches ne boko kotoko ho de ruwan kasa
era ase